Today we learned how to install Apache Maven by downloading and installing in easiest way. This is the website mavenapache.org. Go and click on download and scroll down. You see Apache Maven binary zip archive. Click on that. It's downloading, and the file, the Apache Maven software zip file has downloaded. Click on that zip file, unzip, make sure that JDK and Java Home is already installed in your computer and environment variables are configured. This is necessary part to get Maven to run. I will move this folder to C drive. Just cut, go to C drive, program files, just paste, continue. Here is the software that I have just unzipped and copied and pasted in C drive. Press Windows key, type ADV. You come to View Advanced System Settings, click on that. Click on Environment Variables. Click on New System Variables. Add Maven Home without any space. Copy the path. Go to System Variables. Add the variable value. Okay. Maven Home is added. Now go and find the path. Click on that. Create a new environment variable. Just paste this. Just add this path. Click OK. 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 Just make sure when you add the path in the environment variables, just make the Maven Home to bring up to JDK and click OK. 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 And just try to execute whether the Maven has installed or not. To check that, you need to use mvn-version. It's now installed, and you can see Apache Maven 3.8.5. That's it, guys. Please subscribe.